Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's review, the Proraso Shave Travel Kit. Here's a look at the box. Everything comes packed in this cute little box right here. Very compact, would fit in a dock case or a suitcase, travel bag very easily. And everything inside is small enough to be TSA rated. You can take it on board with you. It comes with the pre-shave cream, shaving brush, and aftershave balm, all in this little box. On the back, a description of the products. Again, on the side, an image of the products right there. Let's open it up. Here's what it looks like. Right there, you can see everything stowed safely in there. I have actually added a razor just to prove that a razor can fit inside the box as well, to make it even more perfect for travel use. It's a sturdy cardboard box, should last a while. The razor that's in here is the Shave Nation 3D safety razor. Here's a look at it. Fits right in there perfectly. Of course it would hold a Edwin Jagger DE89 or a Merkur 34C, no problem. Let's take a look at the items in the box. The Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Pre-Shave Cream and the Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Shaving Cream in the tube, a nice compact tube. Here's a look at the shaving brush. It's a Boar brush. Here's the Aftershave Balm, which is the sensitive skin aftershave balm, not menthol and eucalyptus. I'll show you how to use each one of these items in succession: pre-shave, shaving cream, aftershave. All right, let me warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, let's get started with the pre-shave. Remove the cap on that. It's filled all the way to the brim. Let's take a little bit out. Not too much, about that much on the fingertips. Just massage that together and then directly into the beard. Oh, by the way, you can see I have a little cut right here. I had a pimple, a little red spot, and I scraped it off. So when I'm done shaving, I might have a little red spot right there that didn't come from the shave. This will soften your beard, hydrate it, prepare it for the shave ahead. Okay, now the Proraso shaving cream, remove the cap on that. And I'm not going to use my marble cup, I'm just using what comes in the box. So I'll just soak the brush under the hot water. Nice and wet. I'll just squirt a little bit of the shaving cream directly into the tips of the brush. Not using a bowl either. And by the way, my face is very cool and tingling right now from that menthol and eucalyptus pre-shave. Okay, we'll take this and go directly to the face. So if you don't push on the brush, you'll just get the tips running along the beard. But if you push on it, you can see that it splays out and you get much more coverage that way. And that will drive the shaving cream into the beard very nicely. So it penetrates to soften your beard, hydrate, elevate, prepared for the shave. Very easy to get directly under the nose. The reason for this video is that someone made a comment in one of the product reviews on this product. Someone made a comment about the brush. He said, the brush, looking at it, it's comical, like it's hilarious, but it really works. And I agree, it does work, no problem. It's a little bit scratchy, which is good. So you can drive that lather right into the beard. A little figure eight, right there. Just smooth everything out. Set that down. Let's clear the runways. As I said, I'm using the Shave Nation 3D 3-piece razor. It's a flat bar. Let's disassemble. I'm going to use a feather blade right here. Let's remove the blade. There's a look at it. Drop it right over the post and the 2 pins like so. Reassemble top cap and safety bar, and then reassemble the handle clockwise. Let's check that reveal. Perfect. Looks good. Nice and even on both sides. Okay, let's temper it under the hot water. All right, here we go with the shave. Start out perpendicular, tilt slightly upward. Just work your way down. One side is filled, we'll flip that over, go to the other side. Right down the neckline. Both sides are filled, let's rinse that. Okay, left side, same way, perpendicular, tilt slightly out. Just work your way down. There's that little red spot that I had before I even got started. I had a pimple and scraped it off. Driving in the car, I was like, what's that? And it scratched right off. All right, both sides filled, let's rinse that. Okay, under the mustache. Excellent. Okay, first pass complete. I'm very smooth. If you're super smooth, you can stop right now. But I will rinse off and do one more pass. Just a very slight rinse. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm not adding any shaving cream to it. Now it goes on very cool. Most of the beardage has already been removed, so you can really feel the tingling on your face. Little figure eight. You don't need a real thick coating on subsequent passes, just enough to make it slick. First pass was with the grain, north to south. Now I'll go across the grain. Progressive beard reduction. Take a little bit off with each pass. Backhand. Excellent. Now against the grain. Very smooth. Now across the mustache, just with the corner under the nose, and then lay it flat. Corner, lay it flat. Excellent. Very good. Very smooth. Let me rinse that. Let's hit those cheeks with a little bit more shaving cream. We're going to get these cheeks baby smooth right now. Show you how to do that. It's called riding the cap. Put the rounded portion against your skin, tilt the handle slightly upward. Nothing happens here, but as soon as it catches, that's where you want to be. You want to skim the skin. Just skimming it. Baby smooth right there. Super smooth. Left side. Nothing happens. Then tilt up a little. Skim. Beautiful. Super smooth. All right, let's rinse that. A final rinse with hot then cold water. Let's throw you a curveball. Something that wasn't in the kit. The Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Remove the cap. Let's run it under the cold water. Soak it and then just glide that all around your face. This will seal off any small nicks or micro nicks you may have gotten, weepers, anything like that. It'll also help this little pimple heal much quicker as well, just by putting that on there. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Now we'll take the Proraso Aftershave Balm, remove the cap, right into the fingertips. This is pretty thick, so you don't need too much. About that much, that's it. Massage that together, right to the face. Goes on really cool. This will give you an invisible layer of protection. It's a nice balm. And the sensitive skin contains oatmeal and green tea, so it's really good for your skin. You can hit the forehead too. Excellent finish to the shave right there. There it is, the Proraso Shave Travel Kit. Very handy for travel use. As I said, all the little sample sizes are good for TSA. They're within the 3-ounce rule, so you can take those on board with you. No problem whatsoever. You can't take your blades, but you can take your razor. You can ship blades to wherever it is you're going, borrow some from a friend, run to the local store and pick some up, the drugstore. They're probably not going to have the feather blades though. A little harder to come by. Excellent shave. You can see that I went from 2 or 3 days of beard growth to baby smooth. I'm super smooth. Even the pimple is fine. It's not bleeding or anything. Same as it was before I started the shave. It's a great little kit for travel use. Will come in very handy. And you can even fit a razor inside the box with all the other items. 34C fits in there very, very easily, like that. Here's the SN 3D razor, fits in there as well, no problem whatsoever. If you want to get this kit, click under the video where it says show more. There will be a link to it there, along with the other items used in the video. Or go to shavenation.com, enter SN2155 in the search box, and it'll pop right up. And we'll probably put together a kit with all these items and a razor and some blades, just to make it full-on travel. You buy it, you're ready to rock and roll with your safety razor shave. Let's talk about each item real quick. The Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Preshave, excellent. Just softens and hydrates the beard, prepares it for the shave, and has a nice cooling, tingling effect to it. Great wake-up call in the morning. Follow that up with the Proraso shaving cream directly on top of it. You don't rinse it off, you just put the shaving cream right on top. And then lathering up with the Proraso brush. Still got a little bit of lather on it. This brush actually is about the same size as a Simpson's Wee Scott. Maybe the loft of the bristles are a little bit taller, but it's very similar sized. Proraso Aftershave Balm, designed for sensitive skin, contains oatmeal and green tea. Very cooling and soothing and calming to the skin. Excellent way to finish up your shave. Before that, the Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block. And, as always, feather blade, the beast of blades, always gets the job done. The sharpest blade out there. All in all, a great price point for all these items in one little box. Compact box, it's cardboard, it's sturdy, so you could throw this right in your suitcase and bring it with you on your next trip. Alright, do me a favor before I head out. Please smash that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, click down below where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box and it'll pop right up. If you want the kit, just enter SN2155. Shave Nation 2155, it'll pop right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.